Hi everybody, so today we are going to go over SkinPen microneedling. What is SkinPen microneedling and the frequently asked questions, and also the aftercare instructions as well. So we here at Radiance Wellness Medi-Spa use SkinPen as our device, and microneedling is the name of the procedure. So it's a bunch of tiny little needles, micro needles that go into the skin and kind of create these tiny little channels, holes that trigger your body's healing process, and it also stimulates the collagen in your skin. This can help with any fine lines and wrinkles, acne, scarring, texture, sun damage, and it really just smooths everything out. So a lot of people ask, does the procedure hurt? We do numb the face for the procedure prior to it, and so you really just feel a little bit of poking. You'll feel it more in your forehead because there's less skin up here, and then a little bit on the nose and around the eye, and then also above the lip area. But again, you're very numb, so it's not super painful. We do it on the face, neck, and we can also do it on the chest. Here though at Radiance Wellness, we do recommend any lasering for the chest, and that's what Dr. Morris does. We can do another video about that, but today we're going to just talk about SkinPen. And so another question is it long term? Like, do the effects of microneedling last forever? Unfortunately, the answer is no. As we get older, our body is constantly changing, so as we may help with any acne, scarring, or fine lines and wrinkles. As we get older, as we go through the aging process, your skin just is constantly changing. So that's when you'll have to come in for another treatment or a series of treatments. Here we sell it in a package of 3 for $8.99, but we always have monthly specials going on where you can get some sort of deal for purchasing a microneedling package. So another great question is, what is the downtime for microneedling? A lot of people think it's going to be a lot. It's not going to be a whole lot. You'll just be a little red or pink after the treatment, and usually, everybody's different. Everybody's skin is different, so some people aren't as red once they leave the office. Some people are super red. But really the main thing about microneedling is that we want to avoid any heat. We don't want to bring any heat to the face. So we don't put on any sunscreen or any sun protection on your face when you leave. We don't want to clog any of those micro channels that we just made. We don't want to clog any pores. Your skin is very open and very sensitive after the treatment. So we want it to keep it as clean as possible. And we do give you creams before you leave, so that way, when you go home, you're not using any acids or anything like that on your face. For women, we don't recommend wearing makeup for at least 48 hours after the treatment. We just want your results to be as best as possible. And wearing makeup doesn't always, help with the results. Like I said, it could be very clogging, and we want your skin to be clean, but also protected from the sun. So wear your hats, wear your sunglasses, buy one of those big floppy hats and just protect your skin. Another thing is we don't want to drink any caffeine or alcohol for at least 48 hours to 72 hours after your treatment, because drinking caffeine and drinking any alcohol will cause you to become flushed, and we don't want that. You'll be irritated, and it's not fun. So another thing that will bring heat to the face is working out, like heavy exercising. It's just not recommended to sweat, but also exercising brings heat to the face as well. So you can avoid all of that for 72 hours. That's going to be the best time frame. So it's really not a whole lot of downtime. We just want to avoid bringing any heat to the face. It's strictly sun exposure. Wear your sunscreens and everything after 48 hours. And